how to buy from Yupoo with CSSBuy. So here's how it works. First, you need to find a Yupoo shop which you want to purchase from. I'll just go search for Yupoo shops, and let's say that we want to purchase from this one, just as an example. So you will go to their specific shop, and right here I'm just going to scroll down until I find the item which I want to purchase. So let's do this one. Click on the item itself, and you want to copy the link first. So you will copy the link, and then you will go to CSSBuy and you will paste the link right here, and you just want to press enter. Once you have pressed enter, it's gonna look like this, and you need to paste the item URL here again. So we're gonna paste it, and you want to click on accept risks. In the item title, you will go back and copy this entire title for the product. Now you will paste the info here, and images link here, you can click on it and you can upload images which you get from this. You will need to download them, so you right click and save the images, and you can upload them here just to make sure. If you have any notes, you can also add them in this field. The fee, the price in RMB is the domestic shipping is going to be automatically calculated, but the price here, you want to copy the price from Yupoo. Here, depending on how much it costs, then you will put it here, and afterwards you will just go and add this to your cart. After you have added it to your cart, you will need to complete the payment process, and then you can track your package. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.